A custom diet plan that can help you shed weight with a thorough diet plan according to ketosis. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. In case you're following weight loss plans recently, you'd know keto is the buzzword nowadays. Ketosis is the procedure where you starve the body of carbs. Consequently, the body resorts to the previous choice, the fats, to eliminate weight. By burning off fat, the body produces ketones from the body cells for energy. Even though you can find a number of the information at no cost over the World Wide Web, it hides one of a range of misinformation. Prior to continuing on to the evaluation of the content segments and other particulars concerning the diet plan, here is a summary for people who hate to wait for. Losing weight shouldn't ever arrive with life-endangering or health-threatening unwanted effects. You cannot be feeding the body damaging additives that burn fat in an incorrect manner. Custom keto diet comprises homemade recipes made from pure ingredients which could offer a range of benefits aside from weight loss. Healthy strategy. Ketosis is an established procedure that's helping many people eliminate weight without the burden of sacrifice. The diet includes information concerning the nourishment you will get while swallowing every recipe. You do not need to think about errors since it's a step-by-step manual. A bunch of lip-smacking recipes. Diet plans could be dull and tough. You're sacrificing the joy and love of eating tasty cheesy steaks and lasagna, amongst others. However, this diet offers lots of food options that combine tastes with nourishment in the ideal volume. In addition, it will not bind you. You'll find many different alternatives for every meal so that you may quickly replace anybody depending on your convenience. What's more, it includes a 60-day money-back guarantee if it will not help you eliminate weight in the stated period. It is hardly a surprise since the plan will definitely help you accomplish your exercise goals to some degree. After buying the custom keto diet, you will immediately receive an email containing the in-depth diet plan. You may read it on your smartphone also, and so take it anywhere. Custom keto diet is exactly what foodies are searching for. It's for all those who cannot include their love for cheese, chocolate, along with other delicacies but nevertheless would like to be in great form. And using a 60-day money-back guarantee, we're getting a guarantee not accessible with any other diet plan. At $37, it is well worth an investment. Nonetheless, it's just for people that are prepared to take care of the ramifications of feasible keto influenza and adhere to the diet. Cheating foods would imply depriving yourself, and you are going to wind up becoming fatter and thicker. Link in the description for more details.